Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to another vlog. So today we are going to walk around the Masjid al-Haram and we are going to have Makkah street food which is nearby Masjid al-Haram. This place where we are standing is a Marwa site. From all around the world, the Muslim Ummah come to perform Hajj and Umrah. So now you're walking towards the street Makkah food and you can see the magnificent buildings and very beautifully designed. And as you can see, my brothers and sisters walking towards the Kaaba to perform Umrah. This place is where exactly we're standing is known as for the where Prophet ﷺ born. Here you can see in the board they're mentioning, dear brother and sister, in Islam there is no proof or evidence that Prophet ﷺ born here. And they're posted in front of the building. As you can see, though in the wall they made a library inside and they covered with the barricades. And also they mentioned it is forbidden to make this place specific for the praying or getting blessing from this place. If you guys wanted to visit this place, it's very near when you walk towards the Safa and Marwa. The beautiful thing is you stand any part of the Masjid al-Haram and you can see the clock tower. From here we are going to take a bus and it's a free of cost. You can travel any part of Makkah. Every location they have the number of bus. Every number has the particular location. If you want to travel any place of the part and you need to recheck before you travel from the bus. In between travel you can see some of the arts which is located on the bus stops. So we are exactly at the location and we are going to enter the hotel and it's almost 2 a.m. Inside the hotel was very empty and we chose this time of the midnight, so we don't want to be disturb anyone, but it was the right time for us. And the most of the hotels where they have the television, they always play about the Kaaba. and the background is very beautiful, which is reciting Quran. So we took a permission from the senior chef to enter the kitchen with the hair cap and mask. It's always necessary when you enter the kitchen, you must have to be hygiened. And the fresh meat they hang inside the freezer. Once they get the order and they will start cooking. So our food is getting ready, and so we order for some of the kebabs and chicken and the mutton ribs. So it's preparing by a senior chef, and he almost done with the food, and he is going to make the setup dinner setup for us. So inshallah we're going to enjoy, inshallah. As you can see, the food is ready, and he is using the piece of bread to remove the meat. The food is on the table, so inshallah we're going to start now. They hided meats inside the bread pieces. Here you can see the well cooked chicken and the mutton kebab. There is one more thing we also ordered for the mutton ribs, but unfortunately we couldn't get that. So but it was very delicious. I would suggest you to come this restaurant. You will enjoy the food, inshallah. So this location is located nearby the Utaybia place, where you can easily find a transportation from Masjid al-Haram, so you can easily reach the location. This was not a dinner plan, but we unexpectedly we had ice cream in the midnight. It was amazing. So this was our little journey from Makkah street food, and inshallah we'll see in the next video. For the upcoming videos or more information, please do subscribe, like and share to your friends and families. See you soon in the next video, inshallah. Till that, assalamu alaikum.